friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw a super cute flower vase. Are you excited?
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's start. First, let's draw a rectangle, but we'll make it a little wider in the middle. This will be our cute little vase. Now, let's draw two stems coming out from the vase, reaching up to the top. Great job! On top of each stem, let's draw a circle in the center. Now, let's add 5 petals around it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do the same for the second flower. Now, let's add some cute little leaves on the stems. They make our flowers look even prettier. Draw a heart shape at the bottom of the vase. So cute! Our flower vase is going to smile. Draw 2 big eyes with shiny circles inside and a tiny smiling mouth in the middle. Aw, so adorable! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's take our black marker and make the outline bold and sharp so our artwork pops out beautifully. Wow, it looks even better now. Awesome!
Yay!
Isn't it? Now comes the best part, coloring. Grab your color pens and let's start. Pink color for the heart in the center of the flowers.
Wow!
Rose red color for the vase.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color for the flowers. Green color for the leaves. Purple color for the top of the vase. Now, let's draw some tiny heart shapes around the flower vase. Now, make them red with red color. Perfect! Whoa! Look at our adorable flower vase. You did an amazing job. If you had fun drawing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next fun drawing video.
Yay!
Bye-bye, little artists. Keep drawing and keep smiling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.